Hey, let me let you in on a little secret. This mic that I got on ain't actually really connected to nothing. What's up everyone? My name is Julius Velasco, and all jokes aside, I'm actually bringing you a video to talk about 5 benefits of actually hiring a real estate photographer if you're thinking of listing your home. First of all, if you find any of this content valuable or helpful to you at all, feel free to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel as there's more videos to be made. Let's go ahead and dive into tip number 1. Hiring a real estate photographer gives you the ability to attract more buyers. Even though iPhone photos and Android photos are out there and they're being used for real estate listings, great photos edited and professionally shot by photographers who are in the space of real estate are produced to increase your showings. Think about it. Would you want these photos or would you want these photos? As a real estate photographer, it's important just to understand to stray away from heavily manipulated photos. What I mean by this is make sure that your real estate photographer isn't manipulating the photos in a way that is deceitful to the eyes of the prospective buyers looking at that home. Some things of heavy manipulation could be described as photoshopping the holes in the walls and just pretty much magically making them disappear.
I'm gonna make this pencil disappear.
Yeah, you don't want to do that because when they show up and they find out that there's a bunch of holes in the walls, could be as simple as also painting over colors on the ceiling. Some photographers paint over some of that stuff to make the house more appealing.
What? What the f?
But as a realtor myself, it makes me question what's really going on behind those pictures. Having a good buyer's agent will pay attention to those close details, even if it's as little as looking at those photos. Now, we've went ahead and talked a little bit about professionally done photos versus an iPhone photo or just a camera phone. So to summarize both tip 1 and 2, tip 1 is to attract buyers. Tip 2 is that you get more high quality production. Just to chime in a little bit more on tip number 2, depending on that photographer that you hire, they are most likely experienced in the field already, shot a couple houses and already know what to look for, have photo editing programs such as Lightroom that will help with the light edits for your listing photos. These photographers are also equipped with high resolution cameras and aerial drones to help you shoot your listing, whether it's on the ground or in the air. Tapping into aerial drones, you want to make sure that your photographer is FAA certified. One thing you might not know is that these photographers may have connections to 3D walkthrough professionals that offer that special service. So that might be an option for you if that's something that you would be considering with this whole pandemic that we got going on. Either way you pick, whether it's 3D, aerial, standard photography photos, as long as you get them professionally done, that's my strongest advice when it comes to listing and marketing your house. Tip number 3 is you're given a different perspective on how to market your home. There might be some little things that you might not notice.
What is that, a bazooka?
They'll help showcase you in different angles that may make the difference from your house to the next one. One thing that's actually pretty interesting to note about these tips is that tip number 4 will be already helping you move and start your decluttering process by having you pack up the unnecessary things that you won't need during your home showings. Last and not least, tip number 5 is going to have that light staging work to be done. By doing this, they're going to go ahead and use the furniture you have already and the appliances to better help the home buyers envision how they would live in that home. I hope this video helped you and kind of gave you a little bit of insight on why you should hire a real estate photographer. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and like this video if it helped you out. Thanks so much for your time, and I will catch you in the next video.